Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to use tag groups for creating dynamic views. In our system, we can group the tags according to their group names, tag types, that is a tag templates, and also by tag objects. That is, if a tag has multi-field, we can group them by the tag object name. Instead of selecting individual tags and providing separate tag settings, we can use tag groups to create any dynamic views. In Tag Explorer, we can find the tag groups and tag template types. For example, light displayed as 4 tags. Let's take this as an example and proceed further. Now type the group name and select the tag group option. Here we can see the tags under the group name are displayed in widget form. Click Show as Table to get a table view. As we have entered a group name, select tag group type as a group. We can also select other options based on the selection we have made. We also have sorting option. Default display the same way as we are uploading the tag. Name sorts according to the tag name. We can also sort in a custom way by providing the tag order in this tab. If you want to hide any tags, we can place the tag here. So this will hide those tags. Here we can see that the 2 tags are hidden here. We can also create a HTML view using those tags. So under this text option, we can select the tags and we can create any HTML view. Now let us try a barrel view. For that, select pie chart and enable show barrel option. Change the width size in the format tab. Here we can see the barrel view. Similarly, we can show the bullet chart also. So like this way, we can create other type of charts also. Thank you.